Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock from bones, step by step. First, let's talk about roasting. Roasting your bones is a crucial first step that adds incredible depth of flavor and a beautiful golden color to your finished stock. Simply spread your bones in a single layer on a baking sheet. Then, roast them in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 45 minutes until they are nicely browned. This simple step makes a huge difference. Once your bones are beautifully roasted, it's time to get them into a large stock pot. Cover the bones completely with cold water. This helps extract more flavor. Now, let's add some aromatics. Think about a classic mirepoix, roughly chopped carrots, celery, and onions. These vegetables contribute a wonderful sweetness and savory depth. Don't forget a few bay leaves and about 10 to 15 whole black peppercorns for that extra layer of deliciousness. Now for the most important part, the simmer. Bring your pot to a very gentle simmer, just a few bubbles, never a rolling boil. A hard boil will make your stock cloudy and can extract undesirable flavors. For the first hour or so, you'll want to skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Let it gently simmer for at least 6 to 8 hours, or even up to 24 hours for a truly rich and gelatinous stock. After hours of patient simmering, your incredible homemade stock is ready. Carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with a few layers of cheesecloth, to remove all solids. This ensures a clear, beautiful stock. Let the stock cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it in smaller portions for several months of delicious, ready-to-use flavor.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.